Hello and welcome everybody to our second part of learning everything about the all-electric Nissan Leaf. So without any further delay, let's get straight to the Leaf. That is the most asked question of all time. The reason why Nissan Leaf makes that sound while backing up is because of vehicle's ability of having no road noise, unlike the combustion engine vehicles. The Nissan Leaf is super quiet, and that is why it makes that noise when backing up, so that anybody can and everybody can hear that there is a vehicle around. Nissan offers extensive warranty on its Nissan Leaf. You have a comprehensive warranty of 3 years or 60,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. You also get a 5-year or 100,000 kilometer powertrain warranty, and to add the peace of mind, Nissan offers an 8 years or 160,000 kilometers extensive warranty on its lithium-ion battery. That's a great question. So on the drive assist display right on the dashboard, you can actually see what the health of your vehicle battery is. A brand new Nissan Leaf comes with 12 bars, and you can also call your local Nissan dealership and book your service in, and they can give you a detailed report on your battery life and battery condition. Great question. Nissan recommends getting your Leaf serviced every 20,000 kilometers or 12 months depending on your driving. Essential services include tire rotation, replacing your brake fluid, and replacing your in-cabin microfilter. You can check your owner's manual, or you can also check Nissan Canada's website for more information. Your annual cost of maintenance can be somewhere around $600 plus applicable taxes depending on the region you're located at. Can it get more amazing? Yes, it can. Stay tuned with us to know more about all the cool technology and the safety features this all-electric Nissan Leaf has to offer.